Um, Hi, I'm Le. Um, Thanks for watching my presentation, which is about the pollution, the one of the biggest problem in the world. I'll introduce you 3 points. The first one is the origin of World Environment Day. Mm, in 1972, the United Nations General Assembly established the World Environment Day on the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. Every year, World Environment Day is observed on June 5th. This day is celebrated to encourage awareness and environmental protection. The second one is the world's environment. We're going to watch a video.
The weather and the climate are making news in more than one region.
Severe flooding has killed at least 72 people.
Under siege in the grip of unmitigated catastrophe.
The evidence is now clear. Industrial civilization has caused irreparable damage. Our political and corporate leaders have consistently ignored the overwhelming scientific evidence.
Not only is it the 11th hour, it's 11:59.
What we saw with Katrina is just prologue. Worse is yet to come.
The UN estimates that by the middle of the century, there may be 150 million environmental refugees.
There are too many of us using too many resources too fast.
The problem is that every living system is in decline, and the rate of decline is accelerating.
The tragedy is the potential extinction of humankind.
We face a convergence of crises, all of which are a concern for life. Will our pivotal generation create a sustainable world in time?
People need to realize there are things they can do in their everyday lives. Everybody making a change adds up to something meaningful.
Our project today is the welfare of all of life as a practical objective.
With existing technologies, we could literally reduce the human footprint on planet Earth by 90%.
We have to imagine what it would be like to redesign design itself.
These are not technical issues nearly as much as they are leadership issues. There was a time when Republicans and Democrats joined to pass major environmental laws. 500 years out, people look back at this time that this was our finest hour.
What a great time to be born. What a great time to be alive, because this generation gets to completely change this world.
When I first watched this video, it shocked me. It's the promotional video of a documentary named The 11 Hours. This video is totally about the environment. It tells us, it warns us the environmental problem is very severe. So when I see the terrible picture, terrible video, actually I was very hopeless. I thought this world has nothing can do about the environment. But at the end of this video, it gives me the hopeness. Yeah, it gives me the hope, because it told me about many different kinds of solutions to make the environment get better. So I really recommend you to watch this video. Okay, these 8 stuff, how many kinds of you have you picked up at a beach? Yeah, we can often we often see the like these garbage on the beach. It's not really good. I'll introduce 3 primary pollution, 3 types. The first one is air pollution. The air pollution is visible. Sometimes it's visible. A person can see dark smoke pour from the exhaust pipes of large trucks or factories, for example. More often, the air pollution is invisible. Polluted air can be dangerous even if the pollutants are invisible. It can make people's eyes burn and make them have difficulty breathing. It can also increase the risk of lung cancer. Yeah, very terrible. The second one is water pollution. Some polluted water looks muddy, smells bad, and has garbage floating in it. Some polluted water looks clean, but is filled with harmful chemicals you can see or smell. The third one is land pollution. Many of some pollutants that for the water also harm the land, meaning sometimes leaves the soil contaminated with dangerous chemicals. Some fruits and vegetables absorb the pesticides that help them grow. But when people consume the fruits and vegetables, the pesticides enter their bodies and cause the cancer and other disease. The third point is environmental protection depends on everyone. Yeah, every single people has responsibility to environment. So the low carbon life is represents a healthier, more natural, safer, more environmentally friendly life, but also a low cost lifestyle. Low carbon is not only a corporate behavior, but also a way of life in line with the trend of the times. Low carbon means low emissions of greenhouse gases, mainly about the carbon dioxide. It is low energy, low consumption lifestyle. Okay, that is our presentation today. Thanks